the RV. So this will be mommy and daddy's bed. So it's a Murphy bed, but it'll come down. We'll show you guys once it is down. So there's a window, and then there's like a nightstand armrest kind of thing. Then we have the cabinet, and then cabinets up there, and then this is a seating area which turns into a bed as well. So it is a little older, but you guys know we were looking at other models like 2024s and 2025, so we do invest in ours. We'll have a newer one or a more modern like one, because you know I like bright and airy things. Kitchen area here, so this is all the controls. So we have the sink here, and then the oven and the stove, some cabinets. Then there's the TV, microwave, music, so we can play. Oh my god, I don't do we even have CDs that we can play, or is that DVD? Yeah, this is the freezer and the fridge. Then we have a little pantry right here in this area, and here we have the 2 double beds. So we went with this style because the kids, they love the bunk bed styles that we were looking at when we were looking at RVs, and so this was the only one that was available for renting.
And I got the top one!
Yay! This was the only one that they had for rent that had the bunk beds, so they will alternate while we're here. A bathroom, so we got the shower, it's a tub, has a little tub, and then toilet, and then a sink, cabinet, and then a mirror. Hey y'all! So this is our rental RV for the weekend, and it's pretty nice. Basically we were looking for the size as far as length as to what we're going to invest in when we do buy our own RV. So we wanted something that was basically like the size of what we're planning to get. So this is perfect, because we didn't want something like super huge, because I know Be My Guest with Denise, her husband has a massive RV, and it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I feel like that's like too huge, but I mean it's perfect for families like us, like a family of 5, but it's huge. Yeah, so we're here at Yogi Bear's JellyStone Park, the Canyon Lake location. It's like in between Austin and San Antonio. It wasn't a bad drive. You know, of course traffic makes everything longer, but it is so nice. So we do have an agenda while we're here. So tomorrow we're going to explore more of the campsites, and we're going to the water park and all of that, and then we're going to actually go to Canyon Lake just to check it out and see what it's all about. And then we're just going to relax. A lot to do, but we want this to be fun but also relaxing. You guys about to start bringing the stuff in, so let me go ahead and get things disinfected and wiped, because I don't play that. So I don't care if they did it already. Mama don't play that. And then I gotta get the kids sheets and stuff ready for bed. Come along and enjoy the adventure with us. Why everybody just be doing a peace sign? I don't have a synthetic wig because child, listen. Hey guys, woo, it's hot. Hey y'all, what's going on? So we are outside once again. We are about to do s'mores once again. It's our last night here. We're gonna be heading home. It's been an amazing trip. Like the fact that I have been outside, like it's crazy. But oh, hold on, check. They just went over there. It's the hayride going on. Yeah, so this has been a great trip. I can't believe I have been outside. This is my second time camping, but when I went camping, we stayed like in a cabin, and like it was pretty built up, I guess. Stayed in the cabin, and it had a pool. We had running water, so like that. So to experience camping in an RV and being outside, it's been so much fun, and I'm just grateful to have a husband that gives me these kind of experiences and exposes me to new things out of my comfort zone, because I don't know if I would have done this by myself or like with my friends, because you know we don't think about doing things like this. We just be worried about brunching and shopping and eating and camp and fish and stuff like that. Like I just love being able to do these kind of things with our family and giving them new experiences. Well, he's already eating a marshmallow.
That's all he wants.
Wow.
Okay. So let's get these s'mores popping, and then we gotta go in the bed. Okay.
They're probably gonna go like around over here.
Aw.
Kind of running over. They don't run towards us.
Yeah, I think
They'll
it's
probably
too
go
dark.
around. Hey, May. Mommy, do you get it? I always wanted to say hey, hey.
Where you going? Gotta get out the street. Yeah, what do you see? Yeah. All right, RV. It's been real. Thank you so much for the memories.